acceleration due to gravity. We all know that Earth attracts everything towards its surface. This creates acceleration in the body. The body gets speeded up. While falling, the body gets speeded up. It creates acceleration of the body of the value 9.8 meter per second square. 9.8 meter per second square. This is due to the gravitational force of the body. Acceleration due to gravity. It is very essential for our life and for our Earth. Yes, if there is no gravity, no life is possible. Remember, no gravity, no life is possible. The bad effect, Earth can hold the oxygen, ozone layer, various gases, so it's possible to survive onto the Earth. Due to gravity, we can walk onto the surface of the Earth. So there is no gravity, there is no life. There is also bad effect occur our eyes, tissue, cells. So gravity is so much important up to the body. Acceleration due to gravity. When any body can be fall from the height h, the potential energy mgh, and the acceleration create 9.8 meter per second square. That is, in first second the body can move 9.8. In second, double of 9.8. In third second, triple of 9.8. While falling body can get the velocity increases. After each second, the distance covered get 9.8, double of 9.8, triple of 9.8. So this is due to the gravitational force up to the Earth. If you like the information, share this simple information, and if you like, subscribe, share. Thanks.